Croeso I clwb gemau. Ni'n mynd I chwarae Pokemon Emerald Randomizer yn cario ymlaen o'r ffrindiau ni o'r streams diwethaf. Heddiw, fi ydi Kai.
A fi di Sam.
A ni'n mynd I cario ymlaen o'r gym tan.
Mae'n gym tan. Dwi ddim yn gwybod un.
Wel, fi'n meddwl mae'n gym tan anyway. Yeah, oh, na, mae ddim, mae'n quiet. Oh, wait, na, mae ar hat.
O ie, mae'n randomised. Fi ddim yn even gwybod beth yw'r Pokemon.
Mae'n yn Orangaroo.
Orangaroo.
Okay, definitely ni angen switching.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. Items? Pam wyt ti'n clicio items? Pam wyt ti wedi clicio items? Pam wyt ti'n gyrraedd yn old tree?
Okay, well, ni'n mynd I colli'r battle hyn, a wedyn bydd ni just yn mynd I... No, mae o... Achos... What? Ouch. 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 Not scripted.
Ddim yn scripted. Let's try our Farfetch.
Os mae'r Farfetch yna, dwi'n mynd I lwyd.
Mindy. Oh yes, ti'n Mindy. Ti ddim yn mynd I gwneud unrhyw beth, ti'n just
Fisher. Oh, does an effect. Okay. Dark Edge on effect.
Wyt ti'n actually gywir?
Dark types and Earth types on effect. Let's go.
Naughty, naughty, ti ddim yn siarad Cymraeg.
Dwi ddim yn hoffi chi. Yeah, mae Clywed yn y final evil o... Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Ni wedi marw.
Oh. Okay. Well, mae'r ffrindiau ni ddim wedi gwneud job da. No.
Yeah, let's just... Yeah.
Oh. We can kick our button anghywir. Right, Orangaroo.
Orangaroo.
Well. Oof. Lake Ball. Remember, where is Lake Ball? Wait, E. No.
My enter an inventory. Beth wyt ti wedi gwneud nawr?
Oops.
Oh my god. Full screen o fe, fyna. Yeah. Click. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh, wait, what?
Giant clicker.
What? Huh?
Let's go. Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Full screen of Kai.
Oh, yeah, full screen.
Trophy. Hey, naughty. I'm not fully healed on level.
Huh?
Do you just do charity here?
Hey!
What?
You just want to scout off and live with it.
Just mynd mewn I tall grass a trail.
There is tall grass.
Dwi'n gwybod. Fes Edward. Huh? Yeah? Yeah? Ah, so falle ti'n gallu encounter o pethau ar y byd.
Be rydw i'n meddwl fi'n gwneud?
Dwi'n edrych bron os ti'n gallu bod yn rhywbeth.
Whatever.
Spot.
Silence. The sound of silence.
Na, mynd ffordd hwnna.
Oh my.
Ys edrych beth sy'n lan. Yeah? Well...
One time. Okay. Gwneud rhywbeth useful. Ooh, bishop. Poniard. Neu bishop.
Really need to calm in.
Boed hynna'n event.
Be?
Roedd y peth roedd ni newydd mewn yn event.
Beth ti'n meddwl? Beth ti'n meddwl am Ben?
Event. You get free Pokemon.
So,
Come on, bishop.
Go on train.
Young researcher.
When?
Yeah, my Poniard and oh.
Poniard on. Wedi sillafu yn anghywir. Beth yw'n sy'n hynny'n dweud? Double battle, eh? Falle? Yeah!
Ah, Pokemon Farm. Snow. Mine? What? My hand is weird.
That's it.
Wait.
Yup.
Wait. Mine now is ready now. Or kind of just what? Oh, being got a bit in my head. Okay.
Beth ti'n meddwl?
Pob tro ni'n mynd mewn, mae'n newid.
Fel yn mynd mewn i battle.
What?
Mynd mewn i battle.
Yeah, mynd mewn i battle, mae'n switch o'r Pokemon ni.
Yeah. Your levels yn aros. Ni'n mynd i cael 10 a chwech, neu ni'n mynd i random
Yeah.
yeah. Beth, ni'n mynd i cael random one gyda 10 a chwech. Neu ni'n just mynd i bod fel 7 a 11, 1 a 2,
Na.
just random.
Na.
Mae'n mynd i bod yn
Yeah.
So ni'n dal gallu roed.
Hold up, what?
Be? Be sy'n confusing? Ai, wyt ti'n gallu swc?
Oh, wait. Oh!
Be wyt ti'n realise o nawr?
It's not very effective.
Wyt ti just i realise o...
Mm-hmm.
Spooky boy!
What?
Woo!
Wrong one.
No access.
Mic check.
Ah, ni'n mynd i mewn.
Yeah. this time.
For the trumpet.
This thing is so fucking stupid.
For the trumpet bit?
Oh, okay. Anywho.
Wyt ti'n gallu ateb fi? Wait! I'm gonna mimic you on mine ar mic. Ooh. Sure doesn't. Mine just.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Not too dumb. I had it on camera.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Okay. You already saw the.
Oh. What? Huh? Doesn't do it. C dot. Ah yes, C dot.
No, they switch between the two.
Just
Clutching up.
Three. Clutch.
Yeah.
Double T. Medium audio. Scratch. Wait. Dylan.
Yeah, my Ninkari online or bit Dylan. I think my Minden bit. Olga Ball. My dad I was still lazy. Well, then I still 40. Yeah, still 4. Oh no, Slate 4.
Who's stalemate then?
Mine former girlfriend chess game. Yeah.
He seriously didn't mix on that.
Yeah, be ready.
Hashtag facepalm.
Hashtag Metagross.
Metagross hat. Oh, ooh, that's good.
We got the movie. Nah, bro.
Anong lucky?
Yeah?
Unrhyw beth yn gallu bod yn dda. Mae'n change o pob.
Stantler.
Rudolph.
Yeah.
Milk.
Your dad fancy Cooper?
Where is he then?
Well, that's what we had to go get anyway. Yeah?
So, have we been eating a bit?
Later. Mae ganddyn ni pedwar munud.
Actually, mae'n 41 a 30 saith eiliad. Yeah. 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 100%. Yeah.
Hanner arrow Robin.
Bit.
Hanner arrow. I'm not gonna just adios. Nah.
Adios. Mae di gwneud 5 damage am y Can I just go with retro music?
Definitely do that. Even on hour. Yeah,
You're...
Women would say fyna bod pobl fel back o mor. Ti'n gwybod o'r gwaelod hwnna?
yeah.
Fel 4 peth, sef fel
Okay.
No. Ti di bod ar am yr entire...
Just gotta be done. My half an hour to the mic. Pagadi Lunatone and Ditcher. Wait, Pagadi. Yes, it is. Pagadi. Man, alright team. Ni mynd I colli. No. Where the fuck are you? Oh wait, my switch off.
Yeah.
Damn. Oh wait, smash! Oh. Hey, hey! Hey, fi ddim yn emo.
Ie, ti yn.
Na fi ddim.
Ti yn nawr.
Na fi ddim.
Ti yn nawr.
Na.
Doedd ti ddim. Ti yn nawr.
Na fi ddim. Fi.
Yn ôl dan y syrfi nawr.
one shot.
Yeah, no matter what. My dinner.
Okay. Who's we talking to? Hello? Okay. Definitely. It's actually not very effective. He might hit it super effective.
So go and smooth shadow. That animation is cool.
Let's get this. Come on, swipe, 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 swipe.
The Quandale Dingle. Hey, ti ddim yn fod I cael het mewn stream. Dwi'n y special rule ti ddim yn gallu stopio hi.
Not for a minute.
Sut dwi'n gwisgo hwnna pob amser?
Achos mae'r pen yn pryto. Mae'n pen ti'n pryto.
Ah, yeah, we're gonna go.
WASD. Oh, save. Save.
Beth am WASD? Dwi ddim yn gallu gwneud yn beth gyda nhw.
Now WASD. They are fine.
Arrows and better. Ni sef yn fynd yn sos mae'n gyto. Ni just ddim fyna edrych.
Wait, dal, put back, wait, dal.
Yeet. Ready? Yeet. Yeet. No.
Whoa!
Yeet.
10 more.
Yeet.
Oh my god.
I am trying to make you so far.
And...
Actually, my change.
Oh wait, no.
Mine change up.
Yeah. Alright, yeah. Oh no. No. Let's see.
Dwi'n care o dwi eisiau.
Mischievous.
Ooh.
Oh, interesting. Mischievous. It's mischievous.
Devious. The devious.
I ended up Route 1.
Dwi'n gwneud hynna, ti'n dweud?
No! I might give you the...
Ow.
Shallow zombie. Deal in bullets.
We double pick.
It's not right. What then? Wait, that's also not right. It's not very effective on either. Shadows used harder.
Do them in Power Team. Power Team Grenade. Joke, yeah, Meine That. Ti'n gallu spam o si, achos mae pobl yn
Nid mewn gêm. Mewn gêm oedd ddim... Wel, o na... Nor fi.
Ian down, just wedi screwdriver mewn dy dwylo, a pan mae ti'n chwarae gyda fo. Dwi'n sbring vibe gyda fi. Ready? Dwi'n mynd I enlarge our mouse. Ready? 3. Edrych hwnna.
Fion.
Enlarged. Edrych. Pam wyt ti'n dweud Pikachu?
Ow.
Dwi'n meddwl bod hyn yn y wrong week.
Stale for Emerald. Fi'n meddwl hyn yn hwyr. Neu... Mae Pikachu yn pob un region. Na, wait. Fi actually ddim yn siŵr. Falle mae ddim yn hyd yn y world. Right, go!
Mae goffi to unshort.
Get golden.
Hey.
Quick attack. No!
See? I'm confused. I'm good.
You're not confused. You're that kind of.
Actually, to be unconfused. Eh? Beth yw A yn gwneud? Mae A ddim yn gwneud hyn.
Awkward.
Edrych.
Long haul Pokeball one. Right, quick attack it. Bro.
I'm probably gonna fel sting. go speed runner.
Yeah, Niang is happy about it. I didn't hit a mine on the big street. Yeah? Woohoo! Not trying to kill.
Ready, my mini go to random. 3,
Most of the guys get never know.
Really good one. Splash.
You just didn't realize that.
Click on American.
Price grab.
Even I'm gonna damage.
My both types are paid up our lava.
Deal.
Now, what can I read for you?
What type of deal lava, mister?
Lava five things. Usually got five.
Keep trying to say smooth.
Pan now. Yeah, exactly.
Exactly bit.
What?
T grenade. My dog man's got a Jaden Barber.
Okay, guys. Mana basically now is ready to type ball. Let's do that as well.
How much in dangles?
Did not match any. Finally!
Okay.
I got Google!
Danda. Another inventory move.
No.
Find it with shower. Die. In stream of Pokemon. Mid Google. 3. Mine obvious team will destroy Google or Steam Grenade Hammer. Headwire.
Oh, wait. Pokemon Arrow.
Birdman. Ready? Epic dodge. No.
Yeah, well, Neon Fire Pokemon Arrow. Higaki Rayquaza, Mew, Regirock, Deoxys, Lugia, Ruba, the whole.
Yeah, on him and randomizers.
Tidal and Cal.
Down Calvert.
Bruh. Grass poison type, water type. Oh.
You already know.
Oh, one shot.
I think I'll go on the Headwire level 5.
Thundershock. Oh, pack. Okay, go pack. A major turtle move. Pack.
Okay. gweld,
Use
mae
an
pet...
absorb.
Os ti'n gallu gweld, pet yn gwneud fel dim damage.
I'm flying type.
Ie, hwnna'n dim damage. Mae'n fel un damage. Ti'n gallu gweld hwnna? O, pam wyt ti'n mewn robots nawr? Game hwnna'n dead. Pam ti'n still gyda...
Hashtag revolt Yeah, true.
Fair
enough.
Dwi wedi gwneud popeth mewn other rooms.
We literally...
Oh,
Ni fi anghofio, so wyt ti'n cael y... weird Twilight final? Achos fi wedi ralio lot o... Maen nhw wedi bryd Twilight.
That's wild. Wait, ti'n chwarae gyda fi ar y ffwrdd?
Yeah.
Oh! Ti'n chwarae gyda...
Never cry efo ti ar y ffôn.
Na? Hwnna'n pan ti'n subtitle.
No, I just don't it. Oh, yeah, I was... What?
But...
What? What?
Why did you scream out what?
It's not mine.
Yeah.
Oh, it is. It's stuck. Yeah. $8. Wait. La Baba Juice. Yeah, I got this.
49 in the Baba.
Why haven't I gotten anything?
Bozzo. What type of win? Type.
Pinchrin.
Ah.
Glider.
The
Flying and fighting.
Oh, ti'n gyda hwnna. Hwnna'n really good.
Ddim yn ei defnyddio fe.
Mine like super rare. Yeah, hwnna'n like ultra rare. Hwnna'n as rare as dust pictures. Ti'n like super. Car.
It's too difficult to be
Ti'n catch her man graveyard?
Yeah, we met for your graveyard. Wait, graveyard. Yeah, I'm sure.
Ti'n fel waste all time. Snatch.
Yeah, well, T-Body ball acquired.
Yeah, ond dwi ddim yn gwybod, achos dwi ddim yn Pokemon.
Okay,
Go.
bite. Thundershock. That should be super effective.
Yeah, mae di gwneud dim byd o.
Oh, it doesn't affect. Okay. Not pack. Whatever. Dual gun's probably gonna be your best bet.
Eto,
Nice, so where's Graveyard?
y rooms have
You said it was Route 5. I told you it was Route 5. Yeah. Graveyard! Oh no, I've been in the trash. I've already got one.
I'll show you the graveyard as well.
Yeah, where's the graveyard?
Zero hop to
Oh, yeah. I never noticed that.
achos ti'n dwm. Yeah. Is this thing about Savior mid-battle?
In with you. Well, yeah, just... Yes, I would like to. And I would like my...
Oh, 7. Sweetum and Carol. I got Grubby. Huh?
Oh, wait, I've got it. Literally just in the pack. Whisper. That one?
Yeah, mine just added on so.
Just tackle. Just hanging tackle about an hour.
Yeah.
Well, yes, I do. He said Grubby's the most Grubby build like that. It's not Grubby. Oh, yeah, that. I just want to
Oh, I've got one. I've got one question. Yeah. What's your
go back.
No, Jack.
Oh, I gotta find Mabel, Jack, Lucas, and Lucy and meet up and be
Yeah.
museum in Atlanta.
You do know what the other
No, I haven't been in the arcade yet. As far as how there's only 2 games. It's fine. Okay, I'll just gear up and oh wait, no, goodness. This can also have a heal. No, it doesn't. It goes, yeah. Yeah, it didn't really came back here. I'll just gear up for the children. Oh wait, I could just... Where's your arcade anyway? Atlanta. Do you have Atlanta Interior? Yeah. Well, I have the entertainment district.
Oh.
Geo.
Wait, what? Whoa, ninga simendar. Dude? Yo.
Girls. Tentacle.
Do you mean
Well, it's weak to electric.
mini redhead? Don Yall. Bar. How much did stones block up on that? Fisherman oh, in a land.
Atlantic City. Okay, yeah, is that the arcade? Yeah. I don't really just pull right next to the arcade. That's a Pokeball! Get the Pokeball! What? You just went way past it.
I didn't mean to. What? Missing Diglett. What?
Just hold it.
What?
Huh?
2018 or 1812?
Right, Door Hunter and Spooky.
My hand is confused.
2 games, huh?
Take it.
I'm gonna break it.
Told you, Dobo, I just been trying to get them. Doing this fun. Okay, so basically just kind of flappy bird, but there's way too much gravity.
Oh!
Yeah. Play again. So you got
What is good? Dumbass.
I'm scared.
No. You got loads of
Gorefish! Or bait.
or holy shit.
How can we cook it?
Free team from your Big Mac.
Ooh, big one.
You didn't really say bro, you two.
You ready?
Just a while ago. Okay, troll all 11 eliminated. I'm wasting my money.
Get a quick big meal. I'm in close to dim beat. Okay.
You get.
Nah. Yeah, no, Mr. Morgan.
I got 13 tickets.
And then click the option in your game.
What'd you do with the tickets?
Hey.
Oh, okay, I'll go get Mr. Morgan. Fish.
With, hey, bring, okay.
She
Oh,
put them in
oh,
the
damn it. Bring these out as many garbage.
Just got confident, but I'm happy.
So,
Put them in
stop streaming.